Hey guys, this is week 7, video 4, and I will be talking about the specificity of exercise training responses and how that relates to this short shoulder workout I'm doing here. So basically, our body and skeletal muscle is super adaptable, and our tissues are going to respond to the exercise training by increasing the expression of multiple genes depending on the type of exercise that we're performing. So if we're performing resistance training, our body's going to adapt to that. And if we are focusing on endurance training, our body's going to adapt to that in different ways. The exercise-induced muscle adaptations that we see are going to be specific to the training volume, intensity, and frequency in which we perform them. For example, if we're focusing on prolonged endurance training, we're probably going to see results in a variety of different metabolic adaptations, which are going to include increased mitochondrial volume and little change in muscle fiber size. But if we're focusing on heavy resistance training and exercise, we're going to see results in increased synthesis of contractile proteins and ultimately muscle hypertrophy. In this shoulder workout here, where I'm doing some front raises, lateral raises, and Y raises, our muscles that are primarily being trained are the deltoids, and then some other supporting muscles. But because this exercise is mainly targeting my shoulders with some resistance, my body is going to, over time, adapt and increase shoulder strength, the muscular endurance, and ultimately muscle hypertrophy, muscle size. So our nervous system is going to become super efficient at recruiting these motor units to improve that coordination and be able to control the movement and ultimately grow the muscle size and be able to increase in weight and duration and reps. So due to this rule of specificity in exercise training responses, if I am continually focusing on resistance training and hitting shoulders a lot as opposed to legs or trying to target my quads or something, I'm going to see much more improvement specifically in my shoulder strength and function rather than seeing any improvement or adaptations in my leg muscles or my type 1 or type 2 fast or slow twitch muscle fibers, because that's not what I'm training. So thanks for listening, and we'll see you guys next video.